You can look for signs whenever your wall's going in, if you have cracks going along the wall, and you notice that they're bulging out a bit. If you have excess weight on the outside, say if you have concrete patio, or it's just the weight of the dirt finally pushing the wall in. And what we do to fix that, we have two different types. Power braces, where we put a 4-inch I-beam on the wall with a specialized bracket attached to the floor joist to push it out. Now there's wall anchors, where we have a plate on the inside, then we have a rod that shoots out to a plate on the outside and kind of ties back and pulls the wall. The installation isn't bad. It's relatively quick installation with them. Mainly just a lot of prep work to do it. Power braces are less invasive. You don't have to dig the outside. Joists are running parallel to the wall. The bracket is hanging down like it is over there. It just has an L-shaped bracket, and that's what holds the beam in place over here. But the beam runs up into that joist cavity and pushes it. They're all galvanized steel, so they're not going to rust or deteriorate over time.
Go to woodsbasementsystems.com.